All right, sorry about the lighting, but it's dark outside. But snow's falling, and I wanted to see if you can plow snow with a airbag truck, body dropped airbag truck. So I'm taking the Hawk out. I'm gonna try and plow my driveway. See how it goes. All right, we gotta drop her down. All right, back end's up all the way. I think we're in drive. Yep. See, I plowed a little bit already. Gotta be easy on the throttle. Gingerly back up. There's a pile of snow I already got. Oh, probably helps if I lift it up. Roll back up. I'm surprised this thing's moving because this thing's got like bald tires from burnouts, and it's obviously two-wheel drive. So there you go. Plowing snow, baby. Wonder if I can take it down the street. There we go. Oh, easy on the gas. Only a single truck has been down this road. So we'll see what it looks like on the way back. Can't really see how much snow pushing up front. Okay, let's stop a second and see how much snow we're pushing. Oh yeah. All right, now that I stopped, hopefully I didn't screw myself. Maybe. Lost my momentum. There we go. Once I get moving, I'll drop it a little lower again. Now's the part where I get stuck. All right, and I'm gonna drop her back down. Doggies. All right, let me see how much snow's in front. I gotta grab my gloves. Oh, come on, door. Oh, not a big pile this time. I'm gonna set my camera up and drive by. See our piles of snow there at the driveway. I don't want to ever hear anybody say I ruined this truck or the airbag trucks are worthless, because this works pretty well. And I didn't have to buy a snowplow. Well, there you have it. The Hawk is a bona fide snowplow. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick little goofy video. Tune in next time.